Alright, we are now on 13.3 employee benefits. So a business may offer several employee benefits. Employers consider employee benefits as a part of the cost of employing someone. So a lot of when you're comparing two jobs between each other and you're trying to figure out which one to take, you're more likely to incline more to the one that is going to give you benefits than the one that will not provide you benefits. So a lot of benefits are going to vary, but some of them might include like health insurance, vision insurance, dental, group life insurance, anything like a retirement plan, social security insurance, medical, stock purchase plans, paid vacations and holidays. Those are nice. You get paid to just go on vacation. Unemployment insurance, disability insurance, and sick leave. So some companies might actually give you some sick leave for a couple days, but they'll always give you a max. They'll say you'll get paid up to this many days. You go over that, then you will not get paid for those days that you were sick. So to find the rate of benefits, so the ratio of the total value of the benefits to the annual gross pay is known as the rate of benefits. This formula is that your rate of benefits is equal to your total benefits divided by your annual gross pay. So the first example we have, the Personnel Department of Commercial Credit Company is preparing annual reports on employee benefits. Calculate Tamika Ray's rate of benefits. So this is Tamika Ray. Her annual salary is $41,340. To find her weekly salary, you would take the annual salary and divide it by 52. And it's going to give you a total of $795. So if she's getting vacations at 2 weeks for $795 a week, you would just do 2 times $795 which is going to give you $1,590. And then if you have 8 holidays for 8 days at $159 a day, that means they're going to pay you 8 days of holidays, and you're going to get $159 per day. Then the total amount 8 times 159, which is going to give you a total of $1,272. And then your health insurance, they're going to give you the full 12 months, but it's $162.50 a month. So you would do 12, make sure per month at month, times $162.50, which is going to give you a total of $1,950. And then if your sick leave policy is that they're going to give you have up to 30 days of sick leave at $159 per day, then you would do 30 times 159, which is going to give you a total of $4,770. And then if your unemployment insurance is 4.6% of your annual salary, then change it to a decimal to be 0.046 times 41,340, and that will give you a total of $1,901 with 64 cents. And then your Social Security or your FICA is 6.2% of 41,340, then that'll be 0.062 times 41,340, and you're gonna get a total of $2,563 with 8 cents. And then if your Medicare is 1.45% of 41,344, then you would just do 0.0145, 41,340, and that would give you a total of $599.43. And then you would total this up, all of your benefits, from you're starting with the $15.90 all the way to $5.99, which would give you a total of $14,646 with 15 cents. Now, if you notice, I already had the week, the day, and the month, how much you would get per each item. If you have to find it, you can do it on your own too. So to find the daily, you'd start by finding the weekly. To find the weekly salary, you just take the annual salary and divide it by 52. Which is going to give you 795. And now, since these are actual like professional jobs, so if they're getting 795 per week, they're not going to work 7 days out of the week. They're only going to work 5 days out of the week. So then you would just take that weekly salary and divide it by the 5 days that they're going to work. And in this case, this is where the 159 came from. So if you note 159 per day, 795 per week. Alright, so then to find the total, well, guess what? You already did it because you added it. But you can just rewrite it. Okay, and then it says, now you can find your rate of benefits. So what you need to find your rate of benefits is you just need two things. You need your total benefits, and you need your annual gross pay. Thankfully for us, we have our total benefits right here. And we have our annual gross pay, also known as your annual salary. So then plugging those into the formula, you would have that's $14,646 with 15 cents divided by 41,340. Which is going to come out to be 0.3542, which, remember, multiply that by 100, and that'll give you 35.42%. 45.42% as your rate of benefits. Which is actually pretty good, honestly. So out of her whole entire salary, 35%, she's getting a 35% rate of benefits, which is actually higher than they are, because your job does not have to give you benefits. It's optional, but you're not going to really want to work for a job that's not going to give you some kind of benefits.